CEO Concierge presents Trivia Night.
Oh my G.
True or false?
Lightning
Light
is hotter
is hotter than the sun.
No, false.
False.
Everyone got it correctly again? No.
Ay, ako,
Everyone
wala.
is wrong. The correct
Mas
answer is
mas hot
true.
yung lightning?
Yes.
My God.
So no one
Really?
got
Don't
it
know that.
correctly.
We believe in you, sabi sa akin.
Oh my G.
All right, next question.
What a shame.
What a shame.
The
Sabi.
shame.
Double point.
Double points!
Which element is in water?
Oh, wait.
Hydrogen, oxygen.
Carbon,
Hydrogen.
Everyone got it correctly.
Collagen.
Collagen. All right, next question. You have 2 more questions left.
Galing ni
Uy,
Jed
Question
ah.
number 9.
2 points yan.
2
2
daw.
point times 2 again. What is
Largest
the largest
mammal.
mammal?
Land mammal?
Giraffe,
Blue whale,
elephant,
blue whale.
rhino.
Blue whale? Really?
Really?
Blue whale. Grabe na, yung answer nasa picture, di nyo pa rin nakita.
No.
Di, tama tayong lahat.
Everyone got it correctly.
Yes.
All right.
Last.
Last question.
My God.
True or false?
True or false? Water balls at 100.
Yes.
Everyone got it correctly.
Yay!
All right.
Drum
So let's
roll.
see. Let's wait for TL Tad to compute and tabulate your score.
Really? Ay, ganyan?
Mabilis ata dapat tumindot.
Okay. Yay! Who's that? Oh, Jed, ang galing.
Ang bilis ni Jed pumindot. Very good, Jed.
TL Jan, total score 27,691.
27,691, and so far you guys
DD.
are the first honor.
Yes!
Okay.
Yes!
Recruitment! Let's go!
Let's go,
For section
recruitment!
2,